If you are just starting your welding journey, there are 3 mistakes you need to avoid if you want to improve faster. The first mistake is trying to weld too fast. Many beginners think a good welder is someone who can move quickly. But welding is not a race. You need to learn how to control your arc, maintain the right travel speed, and watch how the molten metal is behaving. Slow down, understand what you are doing, and speed will come with experience. The second mistake is ignoring preparation. Dirty, rusty, or poorly fitted metal can make even a skilled welder struggle. Before you strike that arc, clean your material properly, make sure your joints fit correctly, and check your settings. Good welding starts before the machine is switched on. The third mistake is focusing only on making the weld look beautiful. A weld can look perfect on the surface and still be weak underneath. As a beginner, don't just ask, "Does my weld look good?" Ask, "Did I get proper penetration? Did I use the correct settings? Is this joint actually strong?" Remember, welding is a skill built through patience, practice, and understanding. Don't rush to become a fast welder. First, become a good welder. Then let speed come naturally with experience.